Well, there we go. Now, got that seat out of the way. Get the majority of the rest of this junk out of here. Well, it ain't rusted out right underneath where the seat is. And I'm assuming, you know, right in this area. It's just kind of here and there. Well, now we might as well push the truck outside and get as much of that junk out of the bed as we can, because that's bothering me. Because I know the longer that junk sits in there, you know, wood's material, the longer it sits in there, the more it's going to just rot it out. Oh, it's going to be a lot worse to get it back in. All right. Ultimate goal is to get as much of this junk as humanly possible out of here. Curious to see what the bed looks like, because I have no idea. Full moon tonight, I hear. Oh, by golly, she just needs a new handle right there. Mine now. Oh, you poor truck. All right, time to get a scooping. Now, at this point, what I would like to do, get this pushed out just a bit further, fire the pressure washer up, and blow this out. Golly! We're gonna get wet. I gotta hose you off too, good Lord. I don't know if there's anybody that could really tell you the last time this truck bed had had some water added to it to clean it. Oh, well, there goes my broom. I'd say we're doing pretty good. Once I can get this thing turned around, we'll get her nice and squeaky. It doesn't need to be squeaky right now. It just needs to not be absolutely filthy. All right, that makes me feel a little better. Just a little. Now I gotta worry about pushing it back.